Preparing festive lunches can be a stressful affair. Here's some chefy tips to help you cook your way through any occasion. For perfectly cooked roasts that eat just like steaks at a fraction of the price, I like to vacuum seal a large pork collar along with garlic, thyme, butter, and black pepper and cook this for 20 hours at 60 degrees. To serve alongside this, I like to serve a starchy veg puree. Add slices of butternut squash to a pressure cooker or multicooker, along with salt and a splash of water. Cook this on full pressure for 10 minutes. Release the pressure and remove your veggies. Puree the butternut squash in a blender until it's nice and smooth along with a generous knob of butter. You can freeze these in vacuum-sealed bags and defrost on the day that you're planning on serving them. Once your pork is cooked, you can chill and store this for up to 3 days, and optionally you can chill and slice this into portions in advance. To serve, I like to prepare a fresh salad of rocket, apple, pumpkin seeds, Parmesan shavings, and plenty of olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and salt. While your puree is warming up, sear the pork in a nice hot pan until it's browned on all sides. Plate your fresh salad on top of your veg puree and top with your perfectly cooked pork.